Hello, it's Jodie here, and I just wanted to record this quick video to tell you about the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I'm sure you've heard me talk about before. It is pretty much the equivalent of a marketing degree in 30 days, at least direct response marketing, which is pretty much how the whole entire internet works. So if you want to know how to generate sales online, generate leads online, basically getting clients, anything to do with making money, running a business, the education that you get through these 30 days is incredible. So at the time of the recording, it says that the next challenge is starting in 15 hours time. But basically the challenge runs every 2 weeks now. And as you can see here, it's a $100 investment. But I want to show you how you can get it for less than what this $100 fee is, which I've paid. I've actually paid it twice. So let's just go over and I'll show you how to get it for a bit cheaper. Yay! Okay, so it's by coming into the new lead funnels, which is a really amazing ebook that goes through absolutely everything, including all these different successful lead magnets, I guess they're called. So if this is a bunch of jargon for you, don't worry, you do learn it in the One Funnel Away Challenge. But yeah, you can pick up this ebook for just $7. So you can get the entire swipe file, really start to understand what the whole direct response marketing game is all about and why follow-up funnels are so important as well. So come through, get the $7, and then you'll get offered the One Funnel Away Challenge at the $100 price if you're wanting to get the physical book and the workbooks and MP3 player and all these different things. So it'll be $100 plus shipping and handling. But if you say no to that, so if you scroll down to the bottom and click on no to that, it'll actually give you a second option of getting the digital only version of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So you can do that for just $47, which is pretty cool. So the $47 plus the $7 for the lead funnels, again, all just with super amazing amounts of information. Totals $54. So there you go. That's the little hack on how to get it a little bit cheaper. It's well and truly worth it. It's probably the best money you'll invest. And like I said, it's the equivalent of getting a marketing degree in just 30 days. Hopefully this is an incentive. I'm going to give you a tracking sheet that you can actually keep a note of everything that you'll be going through. As you can see, there is a lot, but you can keep your notes here as well. And anything you get stuck on, you'll be able to reach out to me and I will personally, on a one-on-one session, go through whether it is that you just need to bounce your story idea or you are getting stuck on, say, one of the elements or just have too many ideas that you want to float and sort of go, which one's going to work? So there's so much to go through, but it is information that is 100% going to help you become your own backup plan. Once you've got this under your belt, you can roll it out in any future creative project, business idea, anything at all. But the main thing is you're really just one funnel away, even right now. Whether that be scaling what you're currently doing to the next level, whether it be getting more time freedom, whether it be making more money, having more travels in your life, whatever one funnel away is for you, you're absolutely able to do it. With this information, you are 100% becoming your own backup plan. So reach out to me if you do grab a hold of the One Funnel Away Challenge and the Lead Funnels ebook, and I look forward to speaking to you really soon. Thanks so much for watching.